Want to get the transcript from a YouTube video? In this video, I'll show you how to get a YouTube transcript, step by step. First, open YouTube and find the video you want. Tap on the video to open it. Make sure the video is in the normal vertical view. Tap more under the video description. Scroll down and tap Show Transcript. Here you can read the full transcript and tap timestamps to jump to specific parts. To copy the transcript, tap the share icon under the video and copy the link. Now open a web browser like Safari or Chrome. Paste the link into the address bar and open it. Tap the menu icon near the address bar. Select Request Desktop Site. Once the page reloads, tap More, then tap Show Transcript. Tap and hold on the transcript text. Drag to select all the text, then tap Copy. Now you can paste the transcript anywhere you want. And that's it. You've successfully gotten the transcript from a YouTube video. Like and subscribe for more YouTube tutorials.